novel findings in the field of thermal engineering, which is an imperative discipline of mechanical engineering. Thermal engineering contributes significantly to the industrial and economic development by planning, designing, and maintaining thermal system for commercial and domestic application using the principle of thermodynamics and heat transfer. This faculty development program will serve as a platform for sharing research findings of researchers and academicians, which eventually will open new avenues for technocrats in thermally associated sectors like power plants, automobile industries, manufacturing industries, and many more. This faculty development program will catalyze research and development activities and will enable to realize cost-effective and efficient thermal system. I hand over this platform to my anchors. Thank you.
Thank you so much for those wise words, sir. A very good morning to all the dignitaries, scholars, and students. Today I am Manoj.
And I, Vinayak Rao.
I have the immense honor to welcome you to this 5-day long intellectual journey, where we are joined by some of the leading minds in the field of thermal energy and its emerging trends.
With a lush green campus area of 17 acres, Shri Shankaracharya Institute of Professional Management and Technology, Raipur, is the learning engineering institute in the state. With excellent facilities, infrastructure, and support for all-round development, our institution is among the 49 institutions all over India selected for AICTE Idea Labs 2020-21 and also ranked as top private engineering college in the state and is among the list of top 50 private engineering colleges as per Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements. Within a short span of 13 years, SSIPMT Raipur has been able to back prestigious achievements. All credits to our director sir, principal sir, faculties, and meritorious and hardworking aspiring students. To give you all a glimpse of our institution and our achievements, I request the technical team to present the respective film on the screen. Now let me introduce you all to the Department of Mechanical Engineering at SSIPMT Raipur. The Department of Mechanical Engineering has always thrived to provide all-round development. There's this quote which says that scientists dream about doing great things, but engineers do them. These are the inspiring words of James A. Michener to which we often relate. Department of Mechanical Engineering, SSIPMT Raipur, since its inception, is striving to establish strong connections for effective information sharing among academia, research, personnel, and industry as an effort to bridge the gap among these and to foster collaboration so as to create a win-win situation for everyone concerned. During this pandemic, also, we are making a strong web presence to continue this tradition of ours. Respected participants, let me take a minute to bring to your kind information that we at the Department of Mechanical Engineering are trying to stimulate a culture of learn, do, teach in our department. We are rendering an ecosystem wherein learning and collaborative research activities go hand in hand. With industry-oriented courses on offer, regular interactive sessions on latest innovative practices to enable the beneficiaries keeping pace with the latest happenings. As a result of our perseverance and dedication coupled with able guidance of esteemed technocrats, we are elated to announce at this platform that the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SSIPMT Raipur, accredited by National Board of Accreditation, is producing competitive engineers who are serving far and wide in various sectors. Recently, SSIPMT Raipur is selected among few engineering institutes across the nation for AICTE IDEA, which stands for Idea, Development, Evaluation and Application Lab in AICTE approved institutions, encouraging students for application of science, technologies, engineering and mathematics, fundamentals towards enhanced hands-on experience, learning by doing and product visualization. Hereby, we present a short video that shows the vision and competencies being offered by us in shaping the budding engineers. I request the technical team to present the video on the screen.
Hello everyone, I am Atul Chakravarti from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SSIPMT Raipur. Here at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, we are training our students on multidisciplinary environment. And the outcome has been that our students are able to make several products on their own, which ultimately has helped them in their placements as well. We believe that today the technology has come this far that the world does not belong to a person from a single traditional engineering course. Rather, an engineering graduate should have basics of some other branches as well. For example, a mechanical engineer should have some knowledge of basic electronics. To some extent, he should be knowing computer programming and of course, the mechanical skills like designing softwares. So that after completing his graduation, he will be able to develop some product by himself. And I'm happy to say that this pedagogy only helped SSIPMT Raipur to be one of the 49 engineering colleges across India to be selected by All India Council of Technical Education for setting up of their AICTE Idea Lab at SSIPMT Raipur campus. Now, I am confident that having such a wonderful facility of Idea Lab in our college, our students will easily convert their ideas into real products, which is the need of our, and eventually it will be for the betterment of society, state and nation at large. So friends, if you find your thoughts aligned with what I am saying, then come and join us at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SSIPMT Raipur.
Moving forward with the session, I request Dr. Alok Jain sir, Principal of SSIPMT Raipur, to join the screen and please share with us your words of encouragement and intellect. We would be forever grateful to you, sir. The stage is all yours.
Thank you, Vinayak. Very good morning to one and all present in this faculty development program on emerging trends in thermal engineering. The importance of thermal engineering, the backbone of industry, is known to everyone. We cannot even visualize or imagine the growth of the industry without having the support system of thermal engineering. And also we know the energy which is required for running the machines and for getting all the works done in the industry is possible only because of the thermal industry. We know that the fossil fuels are going to be exhausted very soon, and how to overcome with this problem, which we are visualizing that in the next 50 years it may be a very big problem. So how we can meet it, and how we can adopt the conservative steps so that we can prolong the availability of the fossil fuel on the earth, and simultaneously we must go for other alternative sources of thermal energy for industrialization and for the benefit of the society. As an outset, I would like to congratulate the Mechanical Engineering Department, the entire team, Dr. Naveen Jain, Professor Atul Chakravarti, MRK, sir, and all the technical support system and each and every faculty and students who have given his inputs for planning and designing this faculty development program. I'm sure that all those faculties attending the sessions of the eminent experienced speakers of the country will be very, very beneficial for them to get new ideas so that they can select good projects and can create good models in the times to come. I extend my all best wishes for the success of this faculty development program, and I'm sure that this faculty development program will be successful to achieve all its objectives. Thank you very much for inviting me and giving this opportunity to address you people. I declare the FDP open. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alok Jain sir, for your words of wisdom. Now, moving forward with the session, since this FDP covers emerging trends on thermal engineering, let me give you an overview of what is a thermal engineering actually. So, talking about thermal engineering is a sub-discipline of mechanical engineering. And if we consider mechanical engineering as a tree, then thermal engineering becomes one of its prominent root. The importance of thermal engineering can be viewed in two perspectives. First, as academic, and second, in a societal point of view. Academically, thermal engineering is as important as all the other subjects because it finds its application in every other subject that we study. Now, talking about the society point of view, the way we live and the way we carry out our daily routines, the way we do simple things to complex things, all those things cannot be imagined if thermal engineering wasn't in our existence. We cannot imagine our lives to be this productive and easy without thermal engineering. Now, talking about thermal engineers specifically, what does a thermal engineer do? They study and apply the concept of thermodynamics to design, build, and maintain systems to transfer heat or energy. Since this FDP aims at discussing emerging trends in thermal engineering, the way industries function, and a glimpse into the realm of researchers who made a breakthrough or who are close to make a breakthrough, let us get you all acquainted with the highly esteemed dignitaries who will be sharing their knowledge through this platform.
Let us now meet our board of brilliant minds who will address our gathering in the following 5 days. First, we have Dr. Vinod Singh, who is currently an assistant professor at NIT Kurukshetra's Department of Mechanical Engineering. Dr. Singh has more than half a decade worth of teaching and research experience. He has received his master's degree from NIT Raipur and holds a PhD in the discipline of mechanical engineering from IIT Indore. The areas of his research are measurement of thermodynamic and thermophysical properties of solid-state energy storage materials, carbon dioxide capture and sequestration, absorption-based heating and cooling systems, thermal energy storage systems, and phase change materials. He has also published more than 30 papers in peer-reviewed international journals and proceedings of international and national conferences. It is a pleasure to have you on board, sir. Then we have Dr. Ali Abbas. Currently working as a senior assistant professor, Dr. Abbas is one of the most brilliant and leading minds in the field of thermal engineering. He has done his BTech from Aligarh Muslim University and MTech and PhD from IIT Roorkee in the field of simulation and hydroturbine. He also has 5 years of experience in teaching and research and has published 12 papers in an international journal. His research interests include CFD, hydroturbine, solar system, flow measurement, and model testing. We heartily welcome you today, sir. Next up is Dr. Kumar Divangan, who is an assistant professor at MITS Madnapalle, Andhra Pradesh. He has done his BE in mechanical engineering from Government Engineering College, Bilaspur. He also holds an MTech degree in thermal energy from NIT Roorkee and a PhD in mechanical engineering from IIT Kharagpur. He also has multiple research papers published nationally as well as internationally. Now, let me introduce Dr. Pravesh Shukla, who is currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Bhilai. He has done his PE from Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla University, Raipur, MTech from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and his PhD from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. He's also a published author of many research papers and has won multiple awards, most notably the Young Scientist Award 2018, International Society for Energy, Environment and Sustainability. Then we have Dr. T.N. Verma, Assistant Professor at Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal. He holds a BTech in Mechanical Engineering, MTech in Thermal Engineering, and a PhD. He specializes in thermal engineering and has 7 years of experience. He's also a member of Indian Society of Heat and Mass Transfer, as well as Fluid Mechanics and Fluid Power. So far, Dr. Verma has published a grand total of 86 research papers. Welcome to the board, sir. Now we have Dr. Manoj Kumar Yadav, who's a research scholar at the Department of Energy, Science and Engineering, IIT Bombay. He's an experienced researcher with a demonstrated history of working in the renewables and environment industry. He's skilled in NScience, COMSOL, MATLAB, mechanical engineering, and solar thermal power. He's a strong research professional with an ongoing PhD focusing in solar energy, technology, and technician from Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. I heartily welcome all of you, sir.
Now we have Mr. Vinod Patnayak on the screen. Having completed his BTech from Behrampur University and his MTech in Design Engineering from IIT Bombay, he presently works in Heat Exchanger and Condenser Manufacturing Technology Division. BHEL is a government-owned engineering and manufacturing enterprise based in New Delhi, India. It is under the ownership of the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. It is India's largest power generation equipment manufacturer. Now we have Dr. Tej Pratap Singh sir with us. He is a postdoc fellow at IIT Delhi. He has his postdoc in Department of Applied Mechanics with Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, with a total number of 11 citations and 8 articles published in national and as well as international journals. Sir's research area covers disciplines such as heat transfer, turbulent jet, CFD, and fluid flow. Next up, we have Dr. Mukesh Sahu with us. He is the HOD at Mechanical Engineering Department at CIT Ranchi. Having 10 plus years of teaching experience with 207 citations and 21 articles published in various national and international journals, Dr. Mukesh sir has a commendable research profile, and his research labels throw light on fields such as renewable energy system and its optimization, heat and mass transfer, design of experiments and optimization, and engineering optimization. Now we have Dr. Mukul Srivastav sir with us. He's the professor at Vardhaman College of Engineering, Hyderabad. He is also the dean and professor at Mechanical Engineering Department at Vardhaman College of Engineering. With a master's degree in industrial maintenance and tribology from IIT Delhi, Dr. Mukul sir completed his PhD in computational fluid dynamics from IIT Bombay. With 30 citations and 4 articles published in journals, Dr. Mukul sir holds a great command over the subject of computational fluid dynamics. Next, I would like to introduce you all with Mr. George Edward Burke. He is the senior engineer at Ingersoll Rand. with a master's degree in production design and development from NIT Warangal and bachelor's in mechanical engineering from SSCET Bhilai. He has 9 years of industrial experience. Sir has worked on various projects related to electromechanical and electro-hydraulic system design. And currently, he is working as Senior Engineer, System Modeling and Simulation at Club Car Bangalore, which is formerly a part of Ingersoll Rand. I'm responsible for electric vehicle powertrain modeling and simulation. Prior to this, he worked for Honeywell, Schlumberger, Avtech Limited, and Dynamatic Technologies on various industry-leading projects as an NPD and as well as R&D engineer. Now I would like to welcome Dr. Sashikant Verma sir with us. He obtained his doctorate of philosophy in heat power engineering from NIT Raipur. Dr. Sashikant Verma sir is a senior postdoc fellow with Institute for Plasma Research at Department of Atomic Energy. With 26 citations and 19 articles published in national and international journals, Shashikant sir's research work includes broad disciplines such as computational fluid dynamics, cryogenics, species transport modeling, turbulence, and natural convective heat transfer. I welcome you all, and I would like to proceed forward with a famous quote which says that a scientist describes what is, but the engineer creates what never was. With this, we know we have the power to create, to serve the society, to benefit our people and the nation in the end by rightfully applying and implementing our knowledge. With this, we come to an end of the inaugural ceremony and we look forward to starting the first session for the day. Once again, I would like to express my gratitude to all our esteemed dignitaries who took out their precious times for us and are here to share their valuable knowledge and experience with us. Our dignitaries are no less than an ocean of intellect and wisdom, and I gratefully thank you for accepting our invitation for the Faculty Development Program. We will be having Dr. Vinod Singh sir with us for the first session of the day. We will connect again at 12 p.m. sharp. Till then, I wish everyone a safe and bright day ahead.